interesting problem now. Alright, let's take this first part now. Let's take this expression. So, according to the properties of logarithm, if a number is multiplying a log, it can be raised to the power of the log. So that means this now becomes log 2 base 5 raised to the power minus 3, because it becomes the power of the log, raised to the power minus 3. And from indices, 2 raised to the power minus 3 can be written as 1 over 2 raised to the power 3. So let's go ahead and do that. Log base 5 1 over 2 raised to the power 3. And 1 over 2 raised to the power 3 is same thing as what? 1 over 8. So let's write it. Log base 5 1 over 8. So that's for this first part. So now let's do the second part now. Let's write this expression. So 2 log base 2. Alright, so we are going to apply the same thing here too. This number multiplying the log becomes the power of the log. So we now have that log base 2. So the number will now go and becomes the power of the log. So this now becomes raised to the power of 2. So simplifying, this now becomes log 9 base what? 2, because 3 raised to the power of 2 is what? 9. So from the first one, we have this expression. The second one, we have this expression. So let's go ahead and multiply the two of them together. So it now becomes 5, then log base 5 1 over 8 times 2 raised to the power log base 2 9. So this is what we have now to simplify now. This is what we have to simplify now. Now let's take you to this property of logarithm that states that if you use the base of a logarithm to raise it, the answer is the log. For instance, now this is base A. And using the log, using A, the same A to raise the log, the answer is B. For example, look at this now. This is base 10. Then I use the same 10 to raise the log. That means the answer is this 100. So let's apply it here now. Now look at this is base 5. This is base 5. And using the same base 5 to raise the log. That means the answer is what? 1 over 8. So now that this is 1 over what? 8 times. Now the same thing here. This is base 2. And using 2 to raise the log. Therefore the answer is what? 9. So times 9. So if you simplify this thing now becomes what? 9 over 8. Thanks for watching.